Hey, just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a brand new Casetify case. So this was sent to me by the Casetify brand to talk about the brand new sale that's coming up. So it's almost Black Friday and also Cyber Monday. So let's open up to show you guys what's included inside this time. So we got the first box right here. And here we do have another one. So this time they provide me two boxes of two different stuff. So let's open up to show you guys what's included in both of them. So let's start with the small one first. Alright, so once you guys do open up, you can see this is what the inside looks like. So I do have a very nice ribbon and everything, just like any of the other case. But let's take it out. So the first design that we do have right here, you can see for the iPhone 14 Plus. You can see they do have a very nice design that's on here. And in terms of the design for this one is the Ultra Impact case. You can see for each one of the corners. So this is what the product looks like in the back. Here is the side. Here is the top. Here is the other side, and here is the bottom. And we gotta look at the inside. This is basically what the inside looks like. And see how it does have the built-in MagSafe charger, so that way you can do the MagSafe option if you guys want to. And just like any of the other cases, when you guys do feel the materials on here, it definitely feels super high quality, which is really cool, especially since they do use recycled material. So here is basically what the first one looks like. Now let me show you the other one as well. So for the next one that we do have right here is basically this design. MC actually looks pretty nice as well. And same thing as the other one, we do have the logo right here with the Casetify brand. But you see the design of this one definitely looks pretty nice. This one is also an Ultra Impact case. You can see the way how to design it. And you see we also have the MagSafe option in this one. So that way you can use the magnetic option to charge it up if you guys want to. But right here is basically what the product looks like in the back. Here is the side. Here is the top. Here is this side. And right here is the bottom. And we have to take out the cover. Here is basically what the inside looks like. And if you guys notice throughout the product inside, they do have the built-in protection as well. That's even more protection than what you guys see on the outside. So that way you guys do have even more protection throughout the inside of the case, not just for corners right here, which is pretty cool. But now let's put on the phone to show you guys what she looks like first before I should open the other box. So right here I do have my iPhone 14 Plus. If you guys do put it on, just push it in. Very easy and very simple. Once you guys do put it on, this is basically what the case looks like. And you see it definitely looks pretty nice once you guys do put it on. So this is what it looks like from the back. And right here is the front. Now I'll put the other case. So let's do put it on. Once you guys do put it on, this is what the case looks like. So this is the back. And here's the front. And if you guys do try the magnetic option in the back, you can see how it does work. And it definitely has a really strong magnet in the back to hold it in place. So those are some of the designs that's provided for me for the iPhone 14 Plus. But you do have the option to get this for like the iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, and etc. if you guys want to. And in terms of the protection that's on here, it definitely gives you guys a pretty good protection. For the Ultra Impact in particular, it gives you guys a protection of 11.5 feet. If you guys drop it anywhere harder than that, it's not guaranteed to give you guys that protection. So if you guys want a case that's even more durable than what you guys see right here, that give you guys a higher drop protection when you guys do drop it by accident, the next one I'm about to show you guys is the one that I want to get. So the next box right here should be the stuff that's for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me open up to show you guys what's included. Alright, so once we do open up, you can see inside we do have a lot of stuff. Let's take all of it out. So the first thing inside, they provide me some glass screen protector that I can use for my iPhone 14 Pro Max if I want to. And they provide guys some specs and features on part as well. Next up right here, they provide you guys a lens protector if you guys want to use that as well. Let me open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So right here is a lens protector that you can put on the back of the lens if you guys want to use it. Next right here, they provide me a strap card. Let me open up to show you guys what it actually looks like. So right here is a strap card if you guys want to use it. So I'm assuming for this one, you basically want to put it on the bottom of the phone. So it should go inside a case and it should stick out. So that way you use a strap option for a lanyard option if you guys want to. So it should look something like that when you guys do set it up. And the next thing inside, they provide you guys the actual utility strap, which is right here. So let's do open up. Here is basically what the strap looks like. So they do have the brand name on here as well. And for this side is where you're going to strap it onto the bottom part that they provide you guys, which is this part right here. And what you guys want to do is just hang this onto your neck or somewhere else to use as a lanyard if you guys want to. And the way how they designed this strap is actually pretty cool. They give you guys all the different compartments for you to hang stuff for each one to hold if you guys want to. And in terms of the glass screen protector that I showed you guys earlier, the reason why I don't want to put it on is because I already have it on. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So you can see how when we do put it on, you guys can't even tell that it's on. But once I do close my screen, if you guys look carefully on here, you can definitely see the Casetify brand name on there. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys do put it on for the glass screen protector. And this is currently the case that I've been using for the Casetify brand, which is the balanced case. So now I'm going to show you guys the 4 different designs that was sent to me to show you guys what it looks like. So right here we do have the first one. If you guys do take it out, Here is basically what the first design looks like. If you see, it definitely looks pretty nice. Like I mentioned, for the design of this one, it's called a bounce case that gives you guys a lot more protection compared to the other one. And right here, you see we do have the signature ring design with the Casetify name. Back part right here, we do have the MagSafe option to do the magnetic wire charging option if you guys want to. And just like any of the bounce case, they definitely have the protection built in to give you guys even more protection on the interior design. Not just for the corners right here, here, and here, and here. So this is basically what the outside looks like. Here is the side, here is the top, here is the other side, and right here is the bottom. If you guys do take this part out, this is basically what the inside looks like. So I mentioned for this part right here, throughout the product, they do have that extra protection to give you guys that protection for the back of your phone. So that way when you guys drop it, no matter what angle you guys do drop it, it definitely gives you guys a lot more protection. Especially after you guys put on the glass protector, it'll give you guys even more protection. And same thing like any of the other cases, when you guys look at the inside right here for the corners and also the side, they have even more protection for your phone. And when you guys do feel material that's on the case, it definitely feels really high quality, which is really cool, especially since they do use recycled material. And I love the fact that how they do have this non-slip material on the side. So that way when you guys do use it, it won't slip off your hand as easy. So this is basically what the first one looks like. Now let me show you the other one as well before I should put it on. So right here we do have the next design, which is basically the same as the other one, but it's a different color. The other one is like a blue color, whereas for this one's like a white design. And then for the side right here, it's all black, but everything on here is basically the same. So here is basically what the second one looks like. Now I'm showing you the third one. So right here we do have the third design. If you see, it actually looks pretty nice. For this design, it basically show you guys the different parts of the computer inside, which is pretty awesome if you guys are into it. But everything on here is basically the same. It gives you guys the MagSafe option, give you guys the protection throughout the case. But when you guys do feel materials on the side, it definitely feels a little bit different. It's definitely still made out of recycled material, but the material that's on here is slightly different when you guys do feel it. It feels a lot more smoother than the other one. So here is the back, here is the side, here is the top, here's the other side, here's the bottom, and right here is the inside. So this is the third one. And last but not least, we do have the fourth and last one. So let's do take it out. Here is basically what the fourth one looks like. And we see it actually looks pretty cool with that dragon design, but everything on here is basically the same. It is a bounce case, the MagSafe option, the different protections throughout the case, both for the outside and the inside. And that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's put on the phone to show you guys what each one looks like with the phone on. So start with the blue one. So here is what the case looks like when you guys do put this one on. You see it actually looks pretty nice. Now I'll show you the next one. Alright, so right here is the next one. And right here is the front. Now I'll show you the next one. Alright, so right here is the third one. And right here is the front. Now I'll show you the last one. Alright, so here is basically what the last one looks like. So that is basically what all four of them looks like once you guys do put on the phone. If you see, it actually looks pretty nice. So like I mentioned, for this product, they actually have a lot of different designs available. And they even have like collaboration with a lot of different brands. For example, they have like One Piece design, they have like Pokemon collabs, they even have like Blackpink designs, and so much more. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. But right here are two different cases available if you guys are interested. Whether if you guys want the Ultra Impact or if you guys want the bounce case design, that is totally up to you guys. But obviously, if you guys want the best protection in terms of drop protection, this one's the better choice to go for, since they give you guys a protection up to like 21 feet. And for this one, goes around like 11 feet when you guys do use it. And I actually did an unboxing video before of the bounce case and the Ultra Impact case. And I also did a drop test as well. So I'm actually showing you guys a quick video of that drop test to show you guys whether or not the product works when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the bounce case. Let me actually drop it on the floor to show you guys how well it works. So for this one, like I mentioned, it gives you guys a protection up to 21 feet. But obviously I'm not tall enough to give you guys 21 feet. So I'll just put it as high as I can and then we'll drop it. If you guys do drop it, you can see when you guys do drop it, nothing is affected. Everything is all well protected. So the corners are still fine, the sides are still fine. And when you guys do use the phone, it still works as well. Nothing's affected. So if you guys accidentally drop it from your pocket or something, you don't have to worry about it as well. So let's say, for example, if I do wear my pocket, if I accidentally push it out, nothing is wrong with the product and it still works, if you can see. So definitely a really cool and awesome case that definitely gives you guys that all-around protection when you guys do use it. Now let's try the Ultra Impact case to show you guys how that works as well. Alright, so now we do have the Ultra Impact case. Let's drop it again to see how well it works. So let's do drop it. If you see, everything on here definitely still works and nothing is damaged when you guys do drop it, because it does have the built-in protection throughout the case and also for the corner as well. And when you guys do use it, it still works. Welcome back, guys. So nice quick test of product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. And see how when we do drop a phone, it definitely gives you guys the protection regardless if you guys do the ultra impact or the bounce case. Like I mentioned, for the bounce case, it gives you guys even more protection when you guys do use it. So if you guys like any of the products that I show you guys so far, or just the product in general, feel free to go check them out. I will put the link in the description box down below, or you can go to this link right here to give you guys that discount as well if it's your first time purchasing product. I believe for Casetify, they actually have some stores available in certain places around the world. I think mainly in Hong Kong, but I believe they also have a store available in Osaka as well, called the Casetify Studio if you guys want to go visit the store instead. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality case that can use for your iPhone device or any of the other accessories that I show you guys as well. And also if you guys are all about being eco-friendly in terms of reusing materials, etc., this case and this brand is definitely the one for you because they're all about that. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.